Bible says he will find a wife, finds a good thing, and obtains favor from God. Olúwa dá mi láre gẹ́gẹ́ bí orúkọ ẹ̀ wà á ráàánú gbà. Ọlọ́run wa dá ẹ láre. Ayé ò ní tepo sálà ẹ o, ò ní dolówó àná.
My name is Abdul Razak Saliu. I am the brother of the groom, and I've known him for close to 10 years now. What I went through in life, he was my older brother. He was there for me. I wish him many more years. I wish him happy years. I wish him plenty of children. You know, I'm ready to be an uncle.
Ẹ náwó sí kẹ́ ṣàdúrà fún. Pẹ̀sì àdá lọ́dẹ̀ yín. Tèmi lolúwa ọmọ mi. Ó kóre wá. Ó káyọ̀ wá. Ó kọ́lá wá. Ó kóre wá. Ó kọ́mọ dání pẹ̀lú. Pé kò ní yàgàn lọ́dẹ̀ yín. Kò ní yàgàn ohun rere. Kò ní yàgàn àárọ̀. Kò ní yàtọ̀sán. Kò ní yàtalẹ́. In the name of Jesus. She will never know a better yesterday. In the name of Jesus. It's well with her in her going in. Say with her in her going out. Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú fún o. Orí ẹ̀ ò ní kọ àdúrà. Jésù Kristi agbára wa. Àmín.
I want to say you've always been a very good person, you're a very kind person. Please continue to be good, continue to be kind, and use prayer as your bedrock.
One thing I know about him, he's very determined. That's how I know he made today happen. You know, I know that he's very determined. He does not let anything stand in his way. You know, party time. All right, let's do this.